Hi everyone, it's Martin, and today I'm super happy to show you a new feature that we have just released on .tech. We've added more than 700 page templates optimized for e-commerce, and we've created more than 50 starter packs that include the design for an entire online store, and you can download them in just one click directly from your dashboard. So now it really takes only a few clicks to have a professional and modern design for your .tech store. Plus, all of those templates and starter packs are free, and we included every pages that we need for e-commerce: homepage, header and footer, product page, product category, blog post, cart, checkout, and those designs are really cool. Let me show you a few of my favorites. We wanted to make it easier and faster to build the store on .tech, and so I really love this new feature. I'm super glad that we built it. So now let's go. Let me show you how that works. Here I am on my store, and first of all, go to your dashboard here at the top left, and then My Store and Theme Builder. Now we have 3 new buttons here at the top: download templates, download starter pack, and discover templates. And let's start with the patch. On this page, we can see all the available patches. There is around 50 at the moment, and they are all free. And each patch includes homepage, product page, product category, header, footer, cart, and checkout page. So first, before we show the patch, let's see what my store looks like right now. So I will just click on Visit Site and open in a new tab. So here is my home page for now. Okay, we're just starting. Then let's go see my product category page. Okay, very basic page. We don't even have a footer or a header on the store. And then let's go see a product. So again, very basic product page. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. And now we can browse through the pack. We can preview a pack with the preview button here. So for example, this one. Okay, that's a pretty cool design. I like it. And then to use the patch, we just need to click on the download button here. Okay, success, perfect. Now let's go back to my store, and I will go back to the home page. And here we go, we have our completely new design for our store. So that's pretty cool, much better than before. And we can also customize absolutely every template and every starter patch just with the button here, Enable Visual Builder. And so once you are in the Visual Builder, you can just change everything: the text, the images, the different colors, even add elements or delete elements. I made another video where I show you the customization in detail, so I will leave the link in the description below. Then let's exit the Visual Builder and let's see the other pages. So for example, product category. Okay, definitely much better now. We also have a footer on our store, perfect. Then let's go see a product. Okay, also our product page is much better right now. And we can also go to the cart page. So I will just add a product to cart, then view cart. Okay, great. And then the checkout page. Okay, perfect. And so basically all of those designs were included into the pack that we have just downloaded. It's definitely so much better, and we've just got the entire pack in just one click. So then let's go back to my dashboard. And if you want, you can also download the new templates page by page. So you can choose which page you want. Here at the top, you have home page, header, footer, product page, product category, blog post, cart page, and checkout page. In total, all pages included, we've added more than 700 templates, and they are all free. So for example, let's see the homepage. So we can see all the available homepage here. Also, we can preview a template if we want. So okay, pretty nice design. I really like this one. It's really cool. And so then to use this template as our new homepage, we just need to click on download. Then success, perfect. So then let's go back to my store and let's go back to my homepage, and done. Here we go. We have our totally new homepage on our store. And once again, we can customize it entirely via the Visual Builder here. Then it works the exact same way for all the other pages. And one more thing to show you are the header. So I will just go to header. And so you can check all the available headers here, and we've added some pretty cool ones. Like for example, we've added some media menu, and also some slide-in headers, like for example this one. Let me show you. So download. And so here we have our new header, and when you click on choose a service, we have a header like this that basically slide in on our page. So that's pretty nice. And so there's plenty of headers like this. You can see them in the header section. Then after you download the templates, they are available here in My Store and Theme Builder. So you can customize them with a little pen icon here, or you can delete them with a little trash icon here, the exact same way you would do with any other template in the Theme Builder. I've also made a detailed video about the theme builder, and I will leave the link in the description below. Lastly, if you want to see all the templates available, you can click on the Discover Template button here. It will bring you to this website, drted.design, which is a new site that we have created to show you all the templates available. So you can choose the one that you want to use directly from this website. And so that's it. This new feature is already available in your Darted store, and you can access it right now. At Darted, we want to help you to build a professional online store the easiest way possible. So I'm super happy to release this new feature because I think that's really helpful. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.